Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with Stampacrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Today I have a super simple but cute card to share with you. If you've watched the last couple videos, you noticed that you saw that I had cut some extra pieces of 4x12 designer paper that I was going to use for a paper pumpkin project and then wasn't able to use. So I've been using these on my projects this week. So this is with, did I put my paper away? Let's see. I'm looking for the pack of paper this came with. Here it is. Okay, this is an online exclusive. I'm not sure if it's current or if it's coming out. I feel like it's current because I've used this. So you can see I just have some bits and pieces, and I think this is my second pack. And it is called Lovely Garden Designer Series paper. One side is black and white, and one side is a floral. So what I'm using today, it's this garden green and white floral, but I'm using this stripe side. I love black and white, and I love stripes and polka dots. So I'm just using also a piece of thick basic white for my card base. And then I have a piece. Now you could use any color. I'm using Lemon Lime Twist, but you could use any other color with this. And I'll post measurements on my blog, but they're real easy. This is a half sheet. This is 5 1/4 by 4. And this is 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. So it's just 1/8 of an inch smaller. And then I've taken some of the green, and I could have just cut this out of here, but I had a lot of extra. So I cut the word friend. I'm not gonna try to attach that little teeny eye dot onto the card. I'm gonna use something else. So what I do wanna do is I'm using the Friends for Life dies. I'm not using the stamp set. I might use it for the inside. But this is a retiring set. And I use the friend for my words, and then I'm going to use this one. I love this set, and I have used it several times this year, but I'm going to just squeeze it in one last time before it retires. So if you don't have it and you think you'd like it, now's a good time to get it. So I'm going to just kind of center this in the top half of my card. And it's kind of a wonky heart. It's not perfectly symmetrical, so it's okay if it's a little bit off because it's already a little wonky. And it cuts out little petal patterns to make this fun heart. Okay, that's all. I already die cut the words, so we're trying to make this quick and easy for you. And see, it cuts this out. I'm not going to need those. We're going to just throw those out. Put that back with our dies. All right, let's fold this in half. Usually I score this, but I didn't. I forgot. And then let's adhere our larger piece of Lemon Lime Twist. I love this color. I also thought about pinks, but I wanted something bright. Yellow was my next option. I had many colors. I put it through many colors and decided this is the one I wanted to go with. And I'm not going to do a sentiment inside right now because with the word friend on it, it could go for get well, could go thank you, happy birthday, any occasion. So I'm just going to leave the inside blank for now. We can stamp whatever we want. Now I want to put this on, so just a little bit of that green shows all the way around. I didn't give myself much room, so gotta be a little more precise. Okay. All right, I think that's good. Now we're going to take this, and I'm just going to use some little dots of liquid glue. You can use your glue pen or put it on some adhesive strips, which would have been good too. But I never think about that, so we're just gonna dot a little bit of liquid glue. All right, let's see if we can center this down here. And we are going to dot our eye using the Tinsel Gem 3-pack because we have these little yellow dots that to me look almost like lemon lime twist. So that's what we're gonna go with. We're just gonna put one right there to dot our eye, and that's it. We are done. That's all we're gonna do. We just went sweet and simple today. Super cute for any occasion. I love this card. This die set looks good with a lot of different papers in the background. I just think that's really fun. And that's our project for today. I'll post measurements and supplies on my blog. And don't forget, when you place a $50 order with me, I'm going to send you a set of the card class projects for that month. And we have a lot of product on sale going on right now until our new catalog goes live. And it's all on the last chance list. So make sure to check that out. And I will see you guys next time. All right. Bye-bye.